guys, ito na naman kami. Kung mapapansin nyo, kumakain ng ating napakagandang si Edmerson. Ayan. So, meron ulit tayong gagawin, Edmer. So, ito, meron ako dito na mga pangungusa, Filipino, at gagawin mo lang ay itatranslate mo siya sa Ingles. Okay? So, kaya?
Oo naman.
Okay, sige, let's try. So, number 1. Yan natin ha, kung marunong kang mag-translate. Bakit bigla kang nagbago?
Translate, bakit bigla ka nagbago?
Oo.
Why you are changed, Asa?
Why did you change suddenly? Okay, so,
Suddenly.
but then you are almost there. Next, ako ay naguguluhan.
I am confused.
Wow! That is right. Very good, ah. Next, anong gusto mong ipahiwati?
What do you want to what do you want to
To? Lapit na. Tama. To what?
do you want to
To? Ipahiwati.
what do you want to
Ayan, sinasabi mo na.
to say?
To say, pwede. Or to convey.
What
Ayun po yan, ha. Okay, tama. Next, nagkamali ako sa aking ginawa.
I am wrong with what I'm doing.
With what I did.
I am
Yun.
wrong with what I did.
I was wrong in what I
was
did.
wrong with what I was.
In what I did. Ayun.
Ah,
Pausay. Oh, babay ka na sa alila.
bye.
Ayan. So, mag-iwan tayo ng isang pangungusap at itatranslate nila sa Ingles.
Sige.